countrywoman. Tori day. Another story we'll get time for una for here. Na the one will happen for that side for Central region. The man, his name na Desir Atango. What he happen? Oh, okay. The two happen na say voice on crack, and then it is strained for the talker. You know when the talk with voice on crack, so the thing they go begin make some way, you hear pain them for your skin and all that. And when voice on crack, so man must take care before they talk, because if you go to talk so before you know the voice crack again pass. If it is sleep with picking them, or it is still sleep with picking them. Neighbor and talk say that way body we can't find that picking them, it won't be na wahala way we bring up for them. Nang he go bring a fire on the mountain, round. And then the longer discover say if they do all that things so because say in a picking them they will tolerate. They will do mommy. Now journalists don't go now for make interview, for see what happen, for talk with the picking them. They go talk one of the picking them. They actually say they regret. Say papa born picking with ye, and then papa with the sleep with ye. He say child name of thing. Say no they regret no nothing. Say na papa na one. Say papa na prophet, and papa come for the ground, na for save people, not for create problems. Say before COVID-19 go on come out, if papa we don't talk and say COVID-19, he go come out. So if papa na big prophet, may they not give worry for palava say regret or not regret. He don't born picking with papa. I like his papa so much. No, but only he. His sister too like papa. He don't born with papa. That talk don't spark plenty reaction them. Lawyer them, they talk say minister for justice, he will take that matter, and then they will make that man say me go for Ngata. He go Ngata or you no go Ngata. Now the question we all with the ask we ask for no, because as I always tell now, ibili make